Today we're going to talk about provider characteristics that affect customer loyalty. We'll cover responsiveness, adaptability, communication skills, decisiveness, enthusiasm, ethical behavior, initiative, knowledge, perceptiveness, planning ability, problem-solving ability, and professionalism. When a customer enters the store, you want that customer to feel like they're the most important thing to you. They should feel welcomed, understood, comfortable, appreciated, important, and respected. To make them feel welcome, you might use an enthusiastic greeting and smile and say hello. To be understood, make sure that you're listening actively, paraphrasing, asking key questions, and giving positive feedback. To help them feel comfortable, use friendly communication, be kind and enthusiastic, yet keep your actions calm. And if you have the possibility of offering them water or a seat or coffee, that's always helpful to do so. To help them feel appreciated, thank the customer, follow up with them, go beyond what's generally expected. To make them feel important, use their name, especially if they're a loyal customer. Personalize their service, give special treatment when possible, try to get their opinions, and try to remember any details that they might have given you about themselves in the past. To make them feel respected, make sure that you listen and don't interrupt. Acknowledge the customer's emotions and concerns. Take time to serve them, and ask advice and elicit feedback. Next, we have adaptability, and you want to adapt to each customer and their needs. For example, a lot of your customers may have different beliefs, values, perceptions, needs, and expectations, and so you want to be able to adapt to those. In addition to this, you're also going to encounter a variety of personality styles. So as we talked about earlier in the quarter, these can be very helpful. Communication skills can greatly affect customer loyalty. If you're great at listening, writing professionally, speaking, and handling emotional situations, it'll increase the chance of them having a good experience and coming back. Decisiveness can also play a role. If you're aware of the company policies and can just take the necessary actions to fulfill their needs right away, that's a big plus. Enthusiasm also plays a role. When customers feel welcome to the store, when they feel like you're happy to help them, when you're knowledgeable about your products and services and the organization, this can affect their loyalty. Ethical behavior is also very important. A lot of companies will have a code of ethics, which is a set of standards to guide the conduct of all employees. This can help ensure that employees are all on the same page as far as how they should treat customers and what to do in unexpected circumstances. Taking initiative is also key. When employees take initiative, customers' needs are identified and met in a much more timely fashion. Employees should take responsibility when a problem arises and do everything they can to fix it. Knowledge can be so helpful. When you go into a store as a customer and you're not quite sure what you're looking for or what you need, having knowledgeable employees can help you to narrow down the product or service that will best fit your needs. Being perceptive is also very important as an employee. You want to pay attention to verbal cues, nonverbal cues, which we discussed earlier, and there's actually another video on that if you want to check it out, and then cultural factors and feelings or concerns of others. Perceptiveness can really help you to understand the signals that a customer is sending, and you might be able to recognize hesitancy, interest in a product, adamant rejection, irritation, anxiety, and multiple other unspoken messages. By perceiving these emotions, you can react appropriately. Employees should also have good planning ability. Sometimes organizations will have a planning process model. This is a 5-step process for creating contingency plans in order to better serve customers when problems arise or things don't go as expected. The 5 steps include set a goal, examine and evaluate the situation, identify alternatives, select the best alternatives, and create an implementation plan. This process can really help to smooth out some sticky situations. Next, we have problem-solving ability, and a good rule of thumb to think of is if a customer has a problem, you have a problem, and you want to do everything you can to try to solve this problem. First, you want to take responsibility, gather and analyze information, identify and implement appropriate solutions, and then seek assistance when needed. Professionalism can also go a really long way in creating customer loyalty. By projecting a positive personal image, it can show the customer that you care. This can be through dress, your knowledge, the appearance of your work area, and your mental attitude. So today we did a quick overview of the 12 provider characteristics that affect customer loyalty, including responsiveness, adaptability, communication skills, decisiveness, enthusiasm, ethical behavior, initiative, knowledge, perceptiveness, planning ability, problem-solving ability, and professionalism. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.